In front of me is Lenovo Tab P11 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can locate all typing features available on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll all the way down and tap on System section. Then select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Keyboard. Finally, just tap on Text Correction. As you can see, all typing features are available over here. In order to manage them, just tap on the switcher next to the chosen one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!